Have you ever wanted to make money online but just didn't know where to start or have the support necessary to become successful? Well, let me show you a brand new exclusive community and training platform created by Liam James called LoadedLab. This is a platform that has not only courses, but also a community of like-minded people who come together and share ideas and tricks and techniques to help you become successful in the affiliate marketing niche, print on demand, as well as digital products. Not only is this a community of like-minded people that come together and share ideas and techniques about how to make money online, there are also in-depth courses on how to start an affiliate marketing business, print on demand, selling digital products, and much more. So let's go over and take a look and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So LoadedLab was created by Liam James K. And if you don't know who Liam is, he is a 7-figure entrepreneur who has been the #1 affiliate for ClickBank and Builderall, and also promoted Kartra, and has a large following on YouTube. So he has created this system and platform for like-minded people to come together and share ideas. As you can see, you can start with a $1 trial for 3 days to see if it's a good fit for you and see if you like the program. And inside there are several courses. These are full courses, print on demand, passive profit accelerator, 6-figure affiliate bootcamp, native ads course, a Google Ads course, and a super cheap traffic secrets course. So it's recommended to start with the passive products accelerator to jumpstart your earnings online. So once you're in here and have been accepted with an invitation, you come here to the main dashboard. It says start here. There's also another welcome video here that tells you about the program and what's inside here. Basically it goes over what I'm going to talk about right here. The first step you want to do is come in and say hi. Here's my picture right here. You add your profile picture, say hi to the community, see what everybody's saying. Next tab is the free money. This is an incentive for members to be active. So the #1 most active member will be rewarded with $300, the next one $150, and also you'll get paid for sharing a case study. If you have a case study that's something that's working for you, that's successful, you can share that with the community and get paid $100. Or if you just have something, a quick hack, you can share that with the community and possibly make $50. So you get paid for being an active member as well as making money with the program itself. So here's the challenges. There's a challenge. This is the affiliate launch. So this is a brand new platform. It has just launched. So there's an affiliate competition starting from Monday, April 17th to Monday, May 1st. And that the prizes are an Apple iPad, an iPad Air, $500 in cash, $250 in cash, or a lifetime access to LoadedLab, which in my opinion should be #1. There's events, and you can ask Liam. He's going to be on here live, so you can ask him questions directly at 11 a.m. on April the 30th. The announcements here are where you'll find important announcements made by Liam. And now we can come down here and you can have the general chats, so you can actually join these. You need to join each one of these depending on your interests. So you can filter out the interests that you're not interested in. Say you're not into print on demand, you don't join the space. See, I haven't joined because I do not do print on demand, but if you want to, you can join this. And then in your main feed, you will find all the messages in this particular section. Digital products, I am interested in that. And that has all the community posts in here. Other side hustles, and this is going to be where other people post other side hustles that are not listed here. YouTube success, share your wins. This is where you can share your wins, your case studies and things like that. And Liam's YouTube. You can come in here and discuss Liam's his newest video on YouTube. And here are the case studies down here. And up here is where the courses are, and you can access any of these courses at any time, and there's going to be more added. And this is the one you want to start with, Passive Profits. And I've went in here and taken a look at a few of these, and it has all of these lessons. And then of course the print on demand. You have to join the course over here. Of course it's free once you're a member. And then you just take the course, whatever you're interested in. And this is the Master Natives class. If you were interested in native ads, this is a great way to jumpstart your affiliate marketing income, is with paid advertisement, or you can do it by free as well. And that is all covered in the other course, this Passive Profits Accelerator course. So overall, I think it's a great platform. I'm going to be participating in it. Of course, I've already joined. I'm going to be adding some videos in the next few days about some hacks that I have that I'm going to share with the community. If you've ever wanted support in your journey to make money online, this is a fantastic opportunity. Of course, I'll leave the link down below. You can join under me. There is an affiliate program that I didn't mention yet. So the affiliate program is, well, it's not listed right here. Here's the affiliate program here. You can join, and there's 2 tiers. So you get 100% of the first payment plus 30% recurring income, as well as the second tier, whoever you referred, and if they refer somebody, you get the same compensation there, 30% for the life of their membership. So it's a great program to learn and actually promote as well, and you can make money that way. You can make money by participating. You can also make money by sharing your hacks and case studies. So you've got nothing to lose with a $1 trial. You can come in here for 3 days, take a look at it, see if it's the right fit for you, see if the community members are going to jive with your side hustle or affiliate marketing journey, the make money online journey, and you might learn a few things and new things that you haven't thought about yet. So these people are experienced, they have more experience maybe than you have, and they can help you fast track your earnings online.